Hello everyone, welcome to Just Free Hands, ladies and gentlemen, where we celebrate God-given ability to create, build and sustain. Here, we embrace hands-on activities, sustainable living, creative hobbies and cultural exploration, all with a focus on living a life that honors God. In this video series, I'm starting an exciting new segment about gardening. Today, I'll share how I planted 100 vegetables on a burlap bag, actually burlap bags, as an experiment to test if this was truly a sustainable and creative method for small space gardening. The results are very interesting. I'm gonna dance in the light. Yeah, I'm gonna dance in the light. You see, maximizing limited space was tricky. I carefully selected a mix of leafy greens, carrots, and tomatoes. However, overcrowding became an issue and I realized each vegetable type needed its own designated burlap bag. Lesson 2 was seedling transplantation. Transplanting seedlings into the bags was hectic. Many dried out and died because I didn't provide enough space or manage conditions properly. A crucial takeaway from this was, next time I do this, I should avoid overcrowding and handle seedlings with care. Lesson 3 was managing the sun and heat. Most seedlings were struggling under Guam's intense heat. So what I did was I went on Amazon and I bought a translucent tank. But it didn't solve the problem. Ultimately, consistent watering morning and evening was key to keeping the plants alive. Lesson 4 was soil nutrition. When leaves turned purple or yellow and growth became stunted, I suspected nutrient deficiencies. So nitrogen-rich fertilizer was needed, but I opted to wait rather than purchase costly manure. The plants eventually rebounded, but this taught me the importance of proper soil amendments. Lesson 5 was pest management. Guys, I had these strange looking things, guess the right name for them is aphids, that infested the vegetables. In fact, I almost lost all the vegetables. And they were threatening the entire crop. See, I prefer natural pest control methods like rabbit urine, but I didn't have access to any rabbit urine. Thankfully, the infestation was manageable and the plants survived. Yeah, so those were the top 5 lessons that I learned. Despite the challenges, the plants showed resilience. Many dried out, but the survivors were transplanted to a garden plot I prepared. A process I'll cover in another video. Looking back, this journey taught me perseverance, creativity, and the value of taking risks. Growing 100 vegetables in a burlap bag was not easy, but every setback provided valuable lessons. I know you have some tips or comments, so please get them in the comments below. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you've ever tried unique gardening methods and you'd like to share them, please share them in the comments below. And if you're new here, please subscribe for more hands-on inspiration. Until next video, stay safe and God bless.